This presentation provides an update for the former Fort Ord Military Munitions Response Program. The Army has conducted cleanup in many areas of former Fort Ord since the 1990s. Munitions cleanup is currently taking place in Unit 17 in the eastern portion of the impact area munitions response area, as shown in yellow on the map. The selected cleanup for this area is surface removal of munitions, with subsurface removal conducted in selected areas, such as roads and fuel breaks. The cleanup is being conducted in accordance with planning documents that are available in the Fort Ord Document Library. In preparation for munitions cleanup, vegetation is cut to get access to the ground surface. This is done using manual and mechanical techniques in Unit 17. Several plant species are avoided during cutting, and trees are not cut down. Vegetation cutting is conducted in Unit 17 instead of burning, based on an evaluation recommending that prescribed burning not be performed in Unit 17. This is due to a combination of topography, wind, and fire behavior. Unit 17 has very steep terrain. Biologists closely monitor for erosion, and mitigation is implemented to impede erosion in areas of concern. The first step for munitions cleanup is laying out of lanes, with ropes as shown in the image. Each lane is walked by an unexploded ordnance technician to find surface munitions. These munitions are collected and destroyed using a controlled detonation. Munitions-related debris is collected and properly disposed following inspection. Following surface munitions removal, digital geophysical mapping, also known as DGM, is conducted. This provides a record of subsurface anomalies to assist future property users in identifying areas where explosive safety support may be required for ground disturbing or intrusive activities. Digital geophysical mapping data may also be used to support subsurface removal in selected areas. Color contour maps are developed showing the overall anomaly distribution and density. As part of the munitions cleanup for Unit A, the Army prepared for a prescribed burn in 2025. Prescribed burning is the preferred method for vegetation removal prior to munitions cleanup in habitat reserve areas containing central maritime chaparral. Due to habitat conservation considerations, the prescribed burn season at the former Fort Ord runs from July to December. During this time frame, the prescribed burn would take place when all conditions align. The prescribed burn was not conducted in 2025 because several of the factors associated with the burn prescription were not aligned. Approximately 234 acres of fuel breaks were cut on the former Fort Ord in preparation for the prescribed burn in Unit A. Grass and shrubs were cut to the ground surface, and trees were limbed up. In addition, tree canopies were cut back over roads. The fuel break cutting reduces the risk of wildfire during prescribed burns and improves general fire safety in the area. Additional information on the munitions cleanup can be found on the Army's website and in the Fort Ord Administrative Record and Document Library. Thank you.